Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to sign up US Bank online banking. US Bank is an American bank holding company which provides multiple of financial services and products. To sign up US Bank online banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.usbank.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of US Bank. Now here you can see the login box on the right side. Now here you can see the option of create a username and password. Click on create a username and password option. With that, you'll be taken to sign up page for your online banking access. Now here you can see that enrolling using information from your checking or savings account is highly suggested, and if you are a business account holder, then use your business account number. Now here you need to enter your card or account number on the given box. Then you need to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Similarly, if you don't have social security number, then click on I don't have a social security number option. After entering all the credentials, click on continue option. With that, now you need to first go through the process of verification of your account number and social security number. With that, you need to create username and password according to the criteria given. Then you'll be shown the terms and agreements, conditions as well as privacy policy. You need to click on agree option. With that, you need to verify your identity. You'll receive a code from the registered mobile number or email while you opened your US Bank account. Then you need to enter the code on the given box. Then click on confirm option. After that, you'll receive a confirmation message that you have successfully able to enroll to your online banking, and now you can access to your online banking. This is how we can sign up US Bank online banking. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.